Hi, I'm going to demonstrate how to fabricate a chicken. You may have noticed I was wearing gloves to prevent the contamination of chicken to any equipment or food. If you do not have gloves, the best thing you can do is wash your hands before and after handling raw chicken or raw meat. So the first things you're going to need is a cutting board. You're going to need a towel under the cutting board so that the cutting board doesn't move. You're going to need a boning knife and the whole chicken. So the first thing that we're going to do is get our knife, and there's this little piece right here. I'm going to separate the breast from the leg. And gently gliding my knife so that I can see where the bone is. I do not want to cut the bone. So the leg piece is separate from the breast. All right. And this part is where the thigh is. So I'm going to just cut on this side down here. All right, so that's my leg and thigh piece. And I'm going to do the same for the other side. Gently gliding my knife. I'm not going to do any sharp movements because every chicken is different. All right. So we have our leg and thigh pieces. Now I'm going to go on to the breast. What you're going to do is slice right directly in the middle, lightly. Because in the middle, there's a bone piece. You want to go as close to the bone as possible so you don't waste any breast meat. And as I'm gliding, I'm just go straight down, trying to get every piece so I don't miss any meat from the bone. All right, so we have our breast and wing, and then I just have to disconnect this part. So here is our breast and wing piece for one side. I'm going to do the same for the other side. I'm doing light gliding. I'm at the same point here where there's this piece that I just have to glide around. Try not to get the bone. All right, so I have my breast and wing piece here, and I'm going to use this middle piece, the carcass, for stock. So for the leg and the thigh pieces, the leg part is right here. I'm just going to cut around this. I'm going to turn around just to make sure I have the right spot. Here's our leg and our thigh. I'm going to do the same with this piece. All right. So there are 2 legs and 2 thighs. For the breast and the wing, we have our wing. Breast. There's going to be a spot right here where the wing and the breast just come off. Just like that. All right, so we have our 8 cut, 2 wings, 2 breasts, 2 legs, and 2 thighs. So the wings can be used for the Super Bowl or like party wings for special occasions. The breasts can be used as skinless chicken breasts or tenders. The legs can be used as drumsticks for like kids' meals, or it's easy to eat, so it's good for those for baking. And then the thighs can be used for barbecues. If you want skinless breast, you're more than welcome to take off the skin for the breasts. And this carcass right here can be used for stock.